thunderstorm warning for southwestern Berry County, McDonald County, southeastern Newton County until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pineville and moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Anderson, Goodman, Lenigan, Knoll, Pineville, Powell, Ridgely, Rocky Comfort, Seligman, Stella, Washburn, Wayne, and Wheaton. This warning also includes Big Sugar Creek State Park. This storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay